Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action today very, very straightforward. So if you say, hey, Clay, look, summarize today's price movement, I would say pump and dump on thin ice. Now, I don't say pump and dump in the sense of this company's being run out of some bunker in North Korea, but I am just making it based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back to where it all started. So where did it all start for me? Well, it all started, in my opinion, like I said, at least, when the price broke up above basically the top portion of this channel that the price had been stuck down below for quite a while, right here at about $1.30. I mean, you go back through the history of the chart, and you can just see that for the past several weeks, the bulls had tried to break up above there and just kept getting rejected there, got rejected there, got rejected there. So you get the point, just rejected over and over again. So that is what I'm defining as the starting point. So let's go through the definition here. Price makes a really nice move. Well, again, it started right there on the breakout, and then it went all the way up there. I think we can all agree that was a really, really nice move. Second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the same day, I'm assuming we can all agree that this happened in a relatively short amount of time. I mean, same day. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Now, this is where the thin ice comes into play, because to be fair to the bulls, from the big picture perspective, the price could walk along the thin ice point, which I am valuing at $1.30. So if the price comes down here and just kind of walks along, but is able to maintain up above that level, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. And if you picture these as stair steps, all right, fine. Like I said, to be fair, the bulls would then be heading in the upwards direction, building overall higher stair steps. However, if the price comes down here to that thin ice point at $1.30 and then breaks through it and keeps on separating further and further to the downside, at that point in time, that's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. That is not what price movements with genuine power do. Price movements with true power are going to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were. Again, I'm assuming I state the obvious with it. So right on the edge of a pump and dump here, $1.30, very, very important level going forward for the reasons discussed here. So we'll see if that thin ice point can hold or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.